Who you be? Who you be? You that cannot make a sentence without talking. Now Google kill your generation. Or Google buy you mommy 3D. As you marry your landlady husband, so you know that make you not get peace. Now restlessness now go kill you. Restlessness now go kill you. Easy you for go buy husband go for Nigeria. Mommy 3D, if I go buy husband go for Nigeria, you not get, you are broke. You are a broke bitch. You are a broke bitch. You for go buy husband go for Nigeria, no buy mommy 3D. Why you yemere? Na person matana will kill you. Person matana will kill you. Your picking day live video that day they talk. Mama, go and do food for me. You are just doing live video. I just want like your picking. Your picking, your own picking. Now go they talk about that. Now Google kill you. Ogun now will kill you. Ogun now will kill you, mommy 3D. I personally came for you this afternoon. You are a tout, an illiterate. That's what you are. That's what you are. Now Ogun now will kill you. Now Ogun now will kill you. You know, ever they do anything, they pet you. Now God will punish your generation. God now will punish your generation. You go talk, woman go talk, you go insult her. Woman go talk, you go insult her. Mommy 3D, why are you here, Mary? This my light stood up. Why are you here, Mary? Don't worry, I get your time. I know they work, I know they go school there, I get your time. Idiot. You if they not pay, you know they eat. You they follow me, they talk, you they mad. Where woman like me for the talk, you supposed to talk. Where me out for the talk, after activity, you shut up. Because I'll feed that your obey where husband where they marry. You know the shame. You two package, then you go marry man where don't born how many children before. You two package, you go marry man where don't born many children. I not born for man where don't born before. I not born for man where don't born before. I not born for man where don't born before, mommy 3D. You two better now you go born for man where don't born before. 5 children as young as you are, you be stupid gay. Stupid gay, not go let us hear what your stupid is when they talk. Or go they kill you. Or go they kill you. Easy, if you go buy us my for Nigeria. You forgot back us my for Nigeria, mommy 3D. You are a tout, illiterate. Nothing compose simple sentence. You go they tell women this, women that. I was on your live video that day where your picking they cry. Last year, early last year, if you not remember. Your picking they tell you say, Mama, go and give me food now, I'm hungry. Because morning 8 o'clock is useless to bear when saying a married woman don't set live video. You don't set live video, you won't call single mother a single mother will destroy away. Single mother now go destroy you 3D. Single mother now go destroy your life. You go destroy your life. Or bear where as not get up. So 3D single mother. Yesterday you made a video. People they send me different video where you make. You don't fear, they mention my name, they mad. Do I look like your mates? You don't see me tacky with one. They see it. That with one where you put here, I never call you when they give us that time for parking J. Who does that? Who they put that with one for head again? That your 500 with one. 3D, I never see you with 500 euro bone straight. I see where be husband, wife where they better husbands. You are depressed. If the man they punish you, the husband is not tired. You come and say, I will not go laugh you. 3D, we not go laugh you. We not go laugh you. Come and say, come tell us, say, this marriage is not tired you when you did. You are depressed. You are bitter. You collect your landlady boyfriend that be your husband. You collect your landlady husband 3D. Vicky, I'm not a big pass anything. If you come for me, I will come for you. I'm not big pass nothing. I'm not big pass nothing. I'm not a big pass anything. You come for me, I will come for you. If you come for me anytime your life, your miserable and dirty life, I will come for you. I will come for you. Look down. Me, are you red bittered? Me, are you be like tout? I've not seen anything tangible in your body. I've not seen anything beautiful in your body. I've not seen class. You lack it. You cannot buy it. You don't forget me to buy it. When you don't have it, you have nothing. You don't have nothing. You don't have anything. You don't have it. Classless girl I've seen since I've been in this Europe. Since I've been on TikTok, you are the most stupid girl I've seen. Now Google kill you. 3D, go kill you. You say I go buy husband for Nigeria. 3D, you yourself, you go Nigeria, you go buy husband. If it's easy, you go buy. If it's you go carry beleko for Nigeria, you're born. You get Chris? I don't get 50 years what they collect from government. I'm a working class woman. I go work out, do business. Who you be? Who you be, Mommy Terry D? Who you be? If kidda get on call, you go chop. You dey mad? If kidda get on call, you go pay us rent. Are you stupid? Don't you look at people before you insult them? You know they look people. You know they see people before you talk to them. I be like your mates. Generation to come, I'm not your mates, Terry D. And if Ogun will kill you, mention my name again. If Ogun no want saga, you mention my name again. Mention my name again. Mention you. Are you stupid? Do you know how long it took me to build that name here? You dey craze. You dey craze. You dey craze. Who dey war? Ogun dey kill you. Ogun dey kill you, Tiridi. I don't wonder the kind of man where you put for us because not be put you for us. Tiridi not be you put you for us. Now you put your husband for us. And husband be your boy. Now you put your husband for us. Now you put your husband for us. You say you too good, Tiridi. You for no marry old boy. You for marry young boy. Me I born for young boy. Me I marry young boy. I born for young boy. As you too good, you for marry young boy. You for born for young boy. You for born for young boy. As young as soon as date 7 children. Only one fabrica. How na want to feed? How na want to feed? Husband no go school. Wife no go school. Who won't do assignment for children? Who won't do assignment for children? Touts. Who won't do assignment for children? Illiterates. You not fear. They mention my name for your live video. Make them live down. Who be that one? Your future generation. I be that one. Your useless life. 3D. I be that one. It go mad crazy people put. Make them come follow. They contribute for you. For your nonsense way they do. You are a stupid woman. You are the most craziest person I've seen in my life. You have no class. You have nothing. You have nothing, girl. Not get anything. You not get nothing. And anytime you open video or you mention my name, they send me again. If you like, mention it 50 times. If I come back for school or work, I'll on live video for you. I'll on live video for your end. Anytime you mention my name, I will on live video because of you. I go to on my live video because of you till you go rest for my matter. What concern you? If they say okay, for example, now say you got us saying I've got that one a man, that one an evil man, that will bear way, that will bear way, that one a man. They say you can't smell come, that one go still come outside. 30 years, 5 children. No go, you go get BP before you reach 35 years. Single mother matter go make you get BP. You will die of BP. Now BP now will buy you. We don't really dey register. 30 years, 5 children. Ishe, we're not told. We're not told. We're not told 30 years, 5 children. How you tell they bond them? Thank you, please. How you tell they bond them? How you tell they bond them? Every year, you're a guinea fowl. Useless out. Try and call me again. Try and mention my name again. Try and mention my picking for your live video again. They mad. You look my son, look all those your bed where they carry the worker. They're crazy. Are you stupid? Don't try it again, eh? Don't try it again. Don't try it again. Don't try it again. Don't mention my personal life for your fucking live video. Don't try it. Don't try it. They send me more than how many videos. Are you stupid? Don't try it again, no 3D. Don't try it again. I be no more put live video because of fear, but I will do it because this is not the first time you are doing it. I will block you. I blocked you because I don't want to sit out. I don't want to sit out. 3D. You go to follow her the talk now. She don't fit talk simple thing. Single mother must enter. Single mother must enter your conversation. What did they do you? Now you collect it. Oh, people they stay glasses, they go they trust stone. People they stay glasses, who now go they trust stone. 3D. Return people husband. Any man that is snatchable is not a man. He's a boy. You married a boy. Because if you were able to snatch a man, that means he's not a man, he's a boy. You married a boy. If you were married to a sensible man, the man should be able to call you and say, Timothy, I don't want to see you do this again. But because now you marry her for us, she won't buy you. Me know very well say that marriage not okay for you. She won't buy you, Tiridi. I what don't want the man go well out. I what Tiridi. Whether the husband has not good for yourself, by your word or 3D by your word or okay, yo. 3D by your word or okay, wuyeva. 3D come up for them before you go die for them. Me and you know very well, say you're not okay, you are bittered, you dey pained. They will talk, say single mother. Before people will talk single mother, before they will express themselves single mother, what is single mother do you? Every year say your mama is single mother. See single mother where they cause, every year say your mama they say a single mother. So what it could be your problem with single mother? I know say the pain what they do now, say they fear make the man will go back to that first wife one day. No fear. That one not carry nonsense for us again. Who does that? Who will carry nonsense? Because I'll bear will be that one. You won't come outside and say he's taking care of his children. I will lie. As in, I go to take care of his children. 7 children. 7. I want to take care of 7 children. I want to take care of 7 children. 1,800 euro. How? He goes to no. He's not a doctor. The father of my child. You know who is? You know what he study? You know pass. You know you go buy you. First married woman where they depressed. They mad. Now the pressure go now go buy for where you did. The pressure now will buy for you. If I get my name for your man to get 3D, I'll go give you besu paper. Me go explain, give you besu. I take go marry my for Nigeria 3D. You go explain, give them. You go explain, give them. You go tell them I say marry my for Nigeria. You go tell them I say marry my for Nigeria 3D. Illiterate. Simple words you not feel compose. Simple sentence you cannot compose. Simple sentence you not feel talk one paragraph say you don't cause people in English. Yeah, they won't kill you. School you not go. Illiterate that you be. Born you born like goats. Everything complete for your hand. Husband you snatch people's hands. That will be for husband. Boy you snatch people's hands. Try me again. The next time when you go do this nonsense when you do so, the next time when you go do so, I not come because they don't give me your address. I'll go carry paper and call give for the journey. I'll be a bear rich like that. I'll enter flat I'll give you. 3D, I'll enter flat I'll give you. To synthetic with one fool. Poor church rats. Poverina. I dey wait for you.